Good morning, folks. Just got up. We're having breakfast, and we're going to make chicken soup for breakfast. And this video will be called Simple Chicken Soup. Potatoes, celery. So far we got. You can put more vegetables as you want. What we got going right now is behind me here. All right, simple breakfast chicken soup. Let's have a look at it. Chicken wings. We bought a little pack of chicken wings, and let's look at the soup. Okay, folks, that's what we got in there so far. We got chicken wings, like right here, the chicken wings, celery, chicken wings, and then there's chicken legs.
It's just a
Fast, simple chicken soup, other known as hangover soup.
Oh, that's hamburger.
Oh no, that's hamburger. Ava said.
You're a hangover.
Just trying to be funny. Yeah, simple chicken soup. She put in, April put in chicken noodle soup. Two bags. How much potatoes you cook? Pepper going in?
I just put about like 5 little potatoes, 6 little potatoes.
6 little potatoes on, yeah. Breakfast. She's making herself a breakfast soup.
I'm tired. I just want to eat soup.
Yummy, simple breakfast. Just think about vegetables in there.
You can put
Like
onion, everything.
onions and carrots are good.
Put them
Broccoli, I like broccoli. Some people don't.
small.
Everything, when you make your soup, small.
I like broccoli. If I had
I guess it's better to, like, you don't choke too, right? Your vegetables are small.
I just like eating soup, like a spoonful of everything. That's why I like it small.
Oh yeah. A spoonful of everything. If you cut it up small, Averill says, when you take a spoonful, it's everything in your spoon. Yeah, she's cooking up. We're cooking up for breakfast. Oh, look at the simmer. Let it be educational for you. That's what we're about. Being ourselves, trying to create good content that people would like to see, and educational at the same time. Thanks for watching, and thanks for the support. Look at that boil, folks. Oh, it's looking good. Let's turn that around. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Go right there now. Run. Go to the, hit that button, subscribe. Yay, right there, you pressed it. Yes, he shoots, he scores. I used to play hockey when I was younger too. Oh, here we go again. We don't want to go there. We used to lose, but we used to play. Wow, look at that. Coming along. Yep. We'll let it cook now and we'll leave it alone. We'll show you the finished product when we're ready to eat. Breakfast soup. 5 minutes, it'll be done. The soup's done. Chicken, 2 packs of chicken noodle soup, chicken wings, yeah, and celery. You can put more vegetables. Quick soup, quick breakfast soup. She's making me a plate.
That's mine.
I thought it was for me. Whoa, look at that, folks. Okay, folks, it's done. 10 minutes is up. Oh, it looks good. Simple breakfast soup. Claire used to cook this for Avril. Avril said. Wow. Get some juices in there. You can put more vegetables like onions. Right there, let's see. Nice. I think I'll make a plate then. Oh.
Self-serve on the reserve.
Self-served. Because she don't want to make me a plate, I asked her. She said I have to make my own. Wow, look at that.
Too hungry.
I'll make myself a plate. Too hungry to make someone else a plate when it's that good. Oh, plus I'm grown, she said. All right, I'll make myself a plate. Hello, folks. The soup is done. I gotta make myself a plate because I'm grown. Look, okay, we'll have some. I'll show you some vegetables. Get some chicken in there. Right there. Oh, we'll put broth. I'll fill the rest up with broth. Yeah, get some potato in there. Right there. Come over here, folks. We'll eat at the table. Let's try a bowl out. Let's try some. Right there's the finished product. Oh. Simple chicken noodle soup.
Simple chicken soup.
Simple chicken soup.
It's hot. Watch you
It's hot.
burn.
You're very yummy. Mmm. Oh, it tastes good. You can taste that. You can taste the. We bought a little package like that. It had wings on it, and it had wings on it, and it had chicken legs. Yeah, I'll take a bite of this hot. It tastes so good. Can't wait till it cools down. Yeah, I'll wait for this to cool down and then I'll eat it. I hope this video was educational, and please subscribe. Just trying to be myself and create good content that people would like to see, and educational at the same time. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.